Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Put your likes and good luck to you.
And this video is coming to an end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Put your likes and good luck to you.
Withered Freddy. Let's Dance Elmo. Withered Chica. Tickle Me Elmo. Withered Bonnie. Squeeze a Song Elmo. Withered Foxy. Let's Rock Elmo.
Five Nights at Freddy's RHD MPL Death. RHD MPL Friends compilation videos. Let's go.
Get over here! Help me, Mike! What are you doing with that candy? I want to shove this candy in your ear! Stay still! Stop it! Stay still! You're gonna get lodged in there! Stop! I know! That's the point!
Hey dudes, look at my shirt with me on it! I got swag!
I can't breathe! Good!
I'm just posting pictures of my shirts on your Instagram.
Stay still! Push it into the right now! Here we go! Come on! One more! Here we go! Hey, Dave! Dave, get out of the way!
I love a good beat!
David! I'll get him! Come on! Watch out, buddy! Come on! What's longer? I moved him! What's he doing? Did anybody see? Look what finally came in! What came in? Look at this! A giant gummy worm! Wow! I can't wait to eat it! This isn't yours! Come on, just give me half! No, if you want one, go get your own! Come on! Come on! The Among Us potion from the dark web. And supposedly, when you drink this Among Us potion at 3 a.m., you turn into the imposter from Among Us.
Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to her channel.
You just ripped that off your pants! I'm gonna glue this zipper to your mouth. No! 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 Lots and lots of glue! No! There we go! What are you doing to me? I'm doing what should have been done a long time ago! I promise I'll never sing again! Okay. He's never gonna get his hands free. Never! What's happening? What's happening? I'm on the freaking ceiling! Because I taped you up there, buddy. I can see that! Get me down! I'm about to fall! The tape's not strong enough to hold me! La. I don't listen to cookie thieves. Well, I love Oreos! I'm gonna fall! See. I think it wants the cookie crumbs all over your mouth. It's gonna crawl into my mouth! I know it is! Whoa! Watch out, Jesse! You better watch out! You don't want to fall! I've got ice cream treats in my hands, don't you see? Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Looks like you're losing your balance, Mike! You're gonna make me fall and have an accident, Jesse! Dance for me, Mike! Dance for me! Grow! It's stuck in my nose! Are you okay? It's stuck in my nose! It went straight up my... Here's some broken colored pencils! Catch! Bite me! Oh, I'll bite you! Oh, just wait until I bite you! Are you gluing those pencils in your mouth? Are you making colored pencil teeth? You're going too far with this. You remember what happened last time, right? You almost got it. I don't know if I should. It hurts. You didn't come this far to quit now, did you? I'm not a quitter. No! Quit now! Quit now or it's gonna break off! Quit! No! I did it too! I'm so cold! Here, put this on your head. Okay. This should keep you warm. And now, I'm gonna shave it off! What? Stay still! Okay. Oh, this is working great!
Oh, I hope so, because I don't feel so great.
Oh, nonsense! Oh, yeah, Yep, that's what we're looking for.
Oh, whoa, that tickles! That tickles, Jesse!
You're gonna look just like Bruce Willis when I'm done.
What?
It's working! Your face! They're all glued to my face now!
Are they stuck on?
Oh! It won't come off! They're stuck!
Oh, no!
This is all your fault, you traitor! I didn't do that! Let me pull one! Oh! You're ruining my most favorite time of year!
Dave, we need your help!
Say it, don't spray it.
Oh! I need a Christmas miracle!
Attach this to my back. I have a built-in super vacuum.
Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to her channel. You get 5 nights at FreddyS.com or Amazon.com.